At Uniplay, we're a little bit different. We handle the whole process from your initial inquiry right through to your installation. We make designing your playground as simple a process as possible. Our team are friendly, knowledgeable and efficient. Service is really important to us. We offer a free of charge site survey to allow us to assess your area and have a chat with you about what you're looking to achieve. From there we'll put together a scale visual of your playground using Google Earth and an itemised quotation for your consideration. Once you're completely happy with the design, we'll arrange a date suitable for you for the installation. The last few years have seen us make massive investment back into the business. Firstly, we bought in a water jet cutting machine which allows us to cut the intricate designs our design team create. And more recently we've bought our own ultra high pressure water removals machine and surface dryers. This enables us to take care of the whole process ourselves. We only use our own friendly and skilled installation teams who all hold enhanced DBS disclosures. They are all CITB health and safety trained and will work around the school day to make the installation process as little intrusion as possible. Playground markings are a great way to brighten up your outdoor area and increase physical activity. Our thermoplastic graphics are long-lasting, anti-slip and are suitable to be used in all weathers. If there's ever a question you need answering, just speak to a member of our team.